happening Monday. Oklahoma City officials taking extra steps to help residents in the southeast part of OKC.
Some neighborhoods there were slammed by tornadoes. KOCO's Audrey Goodson joins us with how they're helping as this recovery continues. Audrey.
That's right, Alejandra. This neighborhood near Southeast 89th and Sooner was one of the hardest hit areas. Now, as of Monday, the city is going to be offering some help to pick up debris like this. Now, starting on Monday, they're asking you to put your debris on your curbside so the city can come collect it. But they can't take everything. They'll be picking up tree limbs, branches, and wooden fencing. They say not to mix others' waste on the curb. Now, to also prep that debris, tree branches must be 10 feet or shorter, so you might have to cut them down. They say to keep those items away from mailboxes, utility poles, gas lines, water meters, and trees. We talked to Oklahoma County assessors about how they're also helping with cleanup.
Our staff will be visiting every single property where there is damage. We've mapped it out. We're going to be visiting those areas, and then we'll see if it's most of these houses are destroyed. They'll be 100% of the value will be removed from the physical structure, from the real property.
Crews will be out picking up all of this damage from Monday through Saturday, and they say they hope to be finished by December 21st. In Oklahoma City, Audrey Goodson, KOCO 5 News.